Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. For years, educators have been limited to using either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for managing student data, budgets, and lesson plans, often forcing a choice between expensive software and limited features. That changes today as we take a giant leap into the incredible world of Zoho Sheet, a powerful, free, and surprisingly advanced alternative that's ready to replace Excel in your classroom. While you might be familiar with the collaboration features of Google Sheets, Zoho Sheet operates on another level, packing the advanced functionality of Microsoft 365, including sophisticated data tools, seamless real-time collaboration, and even a built-in AI assistant, all without the hefty price tag. Join me, Govindaraja Karyappa, as I guide you through a complete step-by-step tutorial, covering everything from downloading the application to mastering the essential features designed to save you hours of academic and administrative work. Get ready to revolutionize how you handle data. Part 1. Getting Zoho on your devices. Alright, first thing first, let's get Zoho's powerful suite of tools right onto your devices. It's a straightforward process. Step 1. Finding the download. First, open your Chrome browser. In the search bar, I want you to type https://www.zoho.com/sheet/. Now you'll see a few results. Look for the official Zoho link. This is the key to getting the dedicated application. Step 2. Selecting the right version. Once you're on the download page, click on Apps, pop-up menu. You'll see options for different operating systems like Android, iPhone or iPad, Chromebook or browser extension. Choose the suitable option for your operating system. For Windows operating systems, the suitable version will be available soon. To access the cloud-based Zoho Sheet, in the browser search bar, I want you to type https://www.zoho.com/desktop-apps.html. Select the product pop-up menu. Under the email storage and collaboration section, go ahead and click the On the Sheet option. It's that simple. Zoho Workplace is a full suite of applications, much like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. It includes tools for documents, presentations, and of course the star of our show today, Zoho Sheet. Part 2. Creating your free account and first login. Now that you've navigated to the Zoho Sheet environment, the next essential step is creating your free Zoho account, as access to the sheet is linked directly to your user profile. If you're brand new to Zoho, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's completely free. At the middle of the page, you can see the Create Spreadsheet option. Click on that, then you'll see a Sign Up Free or Get Started button. Enter the required details, then agree to the terms and conditions and click Sign Up Free for detailed sign up. Watch my previous video, the link is available in the description. That's it, your powerful new account is ready. Since I already have an account, I'm going to sign in. I'll click Sign In, enter my email ID and then my password. Zoho might ask for verification, which you can complete to secure your account. I'll just click Skip Now for this demonstration. And just like that, we are in. Welcome to the main dashboard of Zoho Sheet. Part 3. A guided tour of the Zoho Sheet interface. Take a look at this. If you've ever used Excel, this should feel familiar, yet cleaner and more modern. Let's break down what we're seeing. Right away, you have two main options, New Spreadsheet or Upload. You can start a blank sheet from scratch, or you can upload an existing Excel or CSV file to continue your work right here. Let's click New Spreadsheet. Wow! This first impression is fantastic. It's crisp, clean, and incredibly responsive. This is not some clunky web app. It feels like a professional desktop program. Before we dive into the cells, let me show you a cool feature on the main dashboard. I had a sheet here earlier that I deleted for this demo. What if you accidentally delete something important? On the left-hand side, you'll see a trash folder. Click on it, and there it is, my deleted file. With a single click, I can select it and hit Restore. It's a lifesaver. Now, back in our new sheet, let's look at the top. Instead of the ribbon you see in modern Excel, Zoho uses classic menus, which are very intuitive. File. All your basics are here. New, Open, Import, and importantly, Download As, where you can export your work as an Excel file, a PDF, and more. Edit, View, Insert, Format. These are packed with all the tools you'd expect, from inserting charts and images to freezing panes and advanced formatting. Data. This is where Zoho Sheet really shines. You get powerful tools like Sort, Filter, Data Validation, Conditional Formatting, and even data cleaning tools right out of the box. We'll explore these in future videos, so make sure you're subscribed. Below the menu, you have your standard and formatting toolbars. All the common functions are here. Font styles, alignment, number formatting, borders and cell colors. It's all incredibly fast and smooth. There's no lag as you select cells or apply formatting. Part 4. Let's get to work. Basic functions in action. Enough talk. Let's see Zoho Sheet in action. Let's perform some common tasks that educators do every day. Let's say I'm entering some student scores. I'll type 50 in one cell, 80 in the next, and 90 below that. Now, I need to sum these up. Guess what? The same shortcut key you love from Excel works here. I'll just click in the cell below and press Alt plus equal sign. Boom! The sum function appears. I hit enter and I have my total. It's that easy. Zoho Sheet supports the shortcuts you know and love. Let's say I type hello in a cell. To fill that down, I just select the cells below and press Ctrl plus D. To fill to the right, it's Ctrl plus R. What about number series? If I type 1 and drag the fill handle down, look at this. A small context menu appears, just like in Office 365. I can choose to copy cells to just get 1S or fill series to get 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is a premium feature and it's free here. Now for some really cool features you won't find in the free version of Google Sheets. Move the cursor to the View menu option. Appearance mode. You can switch between light mode and a sleek, dark mode. Row and column highlighting. Remember that amazing feature in Premium Excel that highlights your active row and column? It's here. Click the little eyeball icon and as you move your cursor, your position is perfectly highlighted. You can even choose the highlight color. Grid spacing. This is a fantastic cosmetic touch. You can choose from cozy, classic, or comfort to change the look and feel of your grid lines, making your workspace perfect for you. Conclusion. The future is here and it's free. So what do you think? We've downloaded the application, created a free account, toured the interface and performed the essential functions we use every day. As you can see, Zoho Sheet isn't just a basic spreadsheet tool. It's a full-fledged, professional-grade application that stands shoulder to shoulder with Microsoft Excel 365. The speed, the familiar shortcuts, and the advanced features like data cleaning, customizable views, and row highlighting make it an incredible asset for any educator. And we've barely scratched the surface. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deep into advanced formulas, creating stunning charts, using conditional formatting for gradebooks, and even exploring the built-in AI assistant Zia to analyze your data for you. This series is going to be a game changer for your productivity. So do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss a thing. I hope you found this video incredibly helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your colleagues who are tired of paying for expensive software. Thank you for joining me today on Tech Tools for Educators. Keep innovating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.